Top 10 Best Camcorders. Number 1. Video Camera Camcorder Digital YouTube Logging Camera Recorder Kicktech Full HD 1080p 15 fps 24MP 3.0-inch 270-degree rotation LCD 16x digital zoom camcorder with 2 batteries, 604s. Multifunctional camcorder? This video camera max supports 1080p, 15 fps, AVI video resolution, 24m. Number 2. Video Camera Camcorder Full HD 1080p 30 fps 24.0 mpir Night Vision Vlogging Camera Recorder 3.0-inch IPS screen 16x Zoom Camcorders YouTube Camera Remote Control with 2 batteries. 24MP and 1080p FHD Camcorder. This digital video camera for YouTube supports shooting of Full HD 1080p, 30 fps. Number 3. Canon VIXIA HFR800 Camcorder, Black, plus SanDisk 64GB memory card plus digital camera video case plus extra battery BP727 plus quality tripod plus card reader plus tabletop tripod Handgrip, Deluxe accessory bundle. This photo 4S top value camcorder with USA warranty and manufacturer's supplied accessories kit includes. Number 4. AKASO EK7000 4K Wi-Fi Sports Action Camera Ultra HD Waterproof Divide Camcorder 12MP 170-degree Wide Angle 4K Ultra HD Action Camera. Professional 4K 25fps and 2.7K 30fps video with 12MP photos at up to 30 frames per second for incredible photos, which is 4 times the resolution of traditional HD cameras. Number 5. Camcorder Video Camera Digital YouTube Logging Camera HD 1080p 30 fps 24MP 16x Digital Zoom 3-inch LCD Flip Screen Video Recorder with microphone and remote control, 2 batteries. 1080p HD Camcorder with external microphone. This video camcorder produces video at 1080p 30 fps resolution, max supports 24m, 6000x 4500. Number 6. Best Birthday Gifts for Boys age 3 to 8, Amway Kids Digital Video Camera for Boys, Toys for Boys for 5, 6, 7, 8-year-old, 8MP HD Camcorders, Blue, 32GB SD card included. Gifts for Kids Digital Camera? The front-rear dual-lens camera supports 8MP, 3264x2448, photography and 1080p video. Number 7. Video Camera Camcorder Vlogging Camera for YouTube Full HD 2.7K 30 fps 30mpir Night Vision 3-inch touchscreen time-lapse camcorder with microphone remote control lens hood and 2 batteries. FHD 2.7K Camcorder. The video camera for YouTube has a good performance in recording with FHD 2.7K and 30 fps video resolution and high-quality 30MP still images. Number 8. Camcorder Video Camera VIXIA Wi-Fi HD 1080p 24MP 16x Powerful Digital Zoom Camera with microphone and wide-angle lens remote control lens hood infrared night vision YouTube Logging Camera Recorder. Camcorder with external microphone. External microphone adopts XY stereo pickup technology, clear and stable sound image localization. It built in a rechargeable battery. Number 9. Sony HDR-CX405 HD Video Recording Handycam Camcorder, Black. 50 Mbps x AVCS 11920x 1080 at 60p, AVC HD and MP4 codecs. 30x optical/60x clear image zoom to get closer to the action. 26.8mm wide-angle Zeiss lens, automatically creates highlight video. Number 10. Camcorder Video Camera VIXIA Wi-Fi HD 1080p 24MP 16x Powerful Digital Zoom Camera with microphone and wide-angle lens remote control lens hood infrared night vision YouTube Logging Camera Recorder. Camcorder with external microphone. External microphone adopts XY stereo pickup technology, clear and stable sound image localization. It built in a rechargeable battery. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.